Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Look at this. We got another unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon or if it's a normal website. If it's a website, I'll leave that link down below. And if it's a Amazon, I'll leave my affiliate link down below. Thank you guys for sending me this item. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Let's see what this is. Ooh, check me. What is this? It's always good to have these things around, especially if you got older parents or whatnot. Well, you might have to go to Myers or CVS or Walmart to get your blood pressure check. You could check it at home. Make sure you write it down and then, talk to your doctor about it. But it's always a good thing to have one of these around. So definitely check them out. Check me. But I think they're on Amazon, so we'll leave the affiliate link down below for Amazon. It should be interesting to set up. Check me. 1, 2. But hey, you never know. Well, like I said, it's always good to have something like this around. Just to be sure. Especially now the world is going crazy. Here we go. Check me. Check me. Shazing. Alright, let's see what this is about. Alright, that's easy to do. Keep you guys right there. How do I... Got the manual. Oh boy. Got the manual. Automatic upper arm. Here we go. Got the USB cable. Here's the unit. Make sure you take off the sticker. Protective. It's a pretty nice one. And these always scared me when I was going to the doctors when I was a kid. Especially how it pinches your arm. I might need to extend it a little bit. Extend it with the strap right there. In case you got bigger arms. I am locked in. Oh. This might be there we go. Turn this thing on. It has a timer already on it. History, blood pressure. No data. I think it's starting. Whoa. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Holy moly. Oh, it's getting tighter. Saying 88, 96. Whoa. 126. 140. 150. Oh. Am I gonna die? No, I think I'm alright. I'm just not relaxed because I'm recording and stuff, so. But once you sit down on your chair and everything and just relax. It's 105. Well, 139. This is pretty crazy. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says 139, 109. I'm going to take this out. There we go. Put you guys over there. Ooh. I feel a lot different now with that thing off. Here we go. So yeah, I think it's all right. I think I'm not going to drop dead anytime soon. But this is really cool. So thank you guys over at CheckMe, and YouTubers, check them out. Affiliate link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.